Answers. For more than 2 decades, Roger Riedmiller has been handling your legal problems and going to court for his clients to make sure they are protected. In this program, Roger answers directly your legal questions and discusses important issues about accidents and workers' compensation. This is Lawyer on the Line, where we're taking your calls now. Here's your host, Roger Riedmiller.
Good evening and welcome to another Lawyer on the Line. I'm your host, Roger Riedmiller, and if you have a question regarding a workers' compensation or personal injury claim or case, just give us a call there. Give us a call now. Look at the number there at the bottom of the screen, and you can dial 316-263-0001. And if you are outside the Wichita area, of course, you'll have to add that 316. If you're inside the Wichita area, just call the number there at the bottom of the screen. And remember, if the lines are busy, please call again. We have our newfangled system, so we shouldn't have any busy lines. But nevertheless, give us a call now. We are ready to take your question. All right, let's go to the topic of the week. This week's topic, if you recall, had to do with telling the future, the crystal ball. What kind of person can actually tell the future? In a personal injury case, the type of person that often is required or asked to tell the future is a specialist, a medical doctor who has training in the particular type of injury that you are involved in, and is often asked, well, what type of medical treatment or what type of medical problem will require medical treatment in the future for this particular injury. And so, for example, if you have a back injury and there is disc damage as a result of an automobile accident, you might be seeing a neurosurgeon, an orthopedic surgeon who works on or specializes in back surgeries, and that doctor should be able to tell you within a reasonable degree of medical probability what type of surgery you might need to have, or more likely than not, you're going to need to have in the future as a result of your automobile accident. The key here is getting a doctor to predict the future with a reasonable degree of medical probability. He doesn't have to have a crystal clear ball. He just needs to have a ball that says, more probably than not, as a result of this injury, this patient, this person is going to need to have this particular type of medical procedure as a result of the nature of the damage caused by this accident to their spine or whatever body part we're talking about. So future medical is critical in personal injury claims. It is critical that it be analyzed by a proper medical authority and someone who definitely is willing to provide that opinion in writing. It has